Hello, this is week 6 to 7 weekly video recap. Number 1. A harmony differs from a melody in the way that it stacks multiple notes on top of one another to create a sound. A block chord is a chord in which all notes sound simultaneously. A broken chord is a chord in which all notes appear in succession. A triad is a 3-note chord where the lowest note is the root. The middle note is a third above the root and the highest note is a fifth above the root. Number 2. The 4 triads are major, minor, augmented, and diminished. These 4 triad types are the basis for nearly every chord you will encounter. Number 3. Triad inversions are different ways of playing a triad chord by changing the lowest note, or base of the chord. Root position is when the root is the lowest note. First inversion is when the third of the chord is the lowest note. Second inversion is when the fifth of the chord is the lowest note. To label inversions using figure notations, use a slash or a plus sign to indicate that the pitch of a figure should be raised up by a half step. Number 4. The qualities of triads in major keys are first, fourth, and fifth. In minor keys, it's second, third, sixth, and the seventh chord is diminished. When you label triads using Roman numerals, the uppercase Roman numeral represents major triads and lowercase Roman numerals represents minor triads. On a scale of 0 to 10, I would rate myself a 7. The things that I need to study and memorize are Introduction to Harmony and Triads, types of triads, triad inversions, and triads in major and minor keys.